Hey guys, so this video is the unboxing video of the Electron E-Coat Plus 3 Master M powder coating system. So all we're doing is just going to be a quick video showing you what's in the boxes, and then our next video will be setting up the system, see how hard it is to set up from basically the directions that are given for the system. So enjoy the video. So what must have hit hard was this, but that's plastic, so that's gonna be fine. I was told, or I watched one of the videos that said, when you take this out, pay attention. These screws are right here, and you will need them. This is what goes on the stand. This came with it, so we will see where that goes, but I'll put it right beside the head unit because that's some little books. But I think this is pretty cool. Instead of just digital, I personally like paper copies too. So I like how they did a paper copy and digital. Little details like that make a difference to me. Oh, cool. And a little USB too. That's cool. Of course, that's going to be our. I do know in here I have I purchased a few things. Corona ring, DQ, a few different things. So, ooh, another book. Oh, it just shows some of their advertising for them guys. Satchel, that's pretty cool. Oh, this is what I got. I thought this would be cool to put on top. So it holds this. I'm actually thinking about putting a magnet. Hopefully that holds it. It should. Corona ring for the end of the gun. A little advertising pack. I believe this is to a sheath to put your wiring in, if I remember right, from your gun to your machine. Some of these parts you have to order separately. I had to order these separately. I'm not sure why yet. I think they go to my, I'm thinking it goes, it's the attachment to this. It goes to 90. And then the connector, if I remember right. And then of course, a ground, power, ground, and not sure quite yet on a little thing to clean your gun out. I have a crap load of them, but that's kind of a cool little touch. They kind of thought of everything, which is nice. These things, make sure to ask them, say, hey, I'm gonna be using it with this kit. Do I need anything? Once it arrives, I want plug and play, and that's when I was told I need these. So I would suggest at least asking. I'm waiting for a wife to say, BJ. Oh, the injector. That's kind of cool. Something about the angle helps them. I do like how they're colored. The red and black corresponds with your red and your black lines. And another little packet. I think it tells you, oh yeah, how to tear it apart, clean it into pieces. That's kind of cool. So the last part of unboxing is this right here. And then as soon as we unbox, our next video will be setting up. You get a couple tips. It's not much, I guess. With like my X1, I got a shitload of this stuff. It looks like with these guys, you only get one. They're pretty expensive, to be honest with you. If I remember right, it was like $39 each, and honestly, I can't remember. There's a few different sites. I did get the master gun. There's a lot of advantages, cool advantages to this. One, the light's on the end. So with the light on the end, you can set it to be constantly on, or when you pull a trigger, have it on. There's also some things that you can do, like do presets, flick back and forth between a couple different settings. So if you're doing rims, rim setting, and then you hit a rim complex setting, which I've seemed to pull them off from some videos I've watched, so I'm gonna try them. And okay guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and let's look over what we have.